Meaning of hypnotize.
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 Hypnotize. The term hypnotize refers to inducing a state of trance or altered consciousness in an individual, often through the use of suggestions and relaxation techniques. This state is typically characterized by heightened suggestibility and decreased awareness of one's surroundings. It is often used as a therapeutic technique to help individuals overcome various psychological disorders, including anxiety, phobias, and addictions. The effects of hypnosis can vary from person to person, but it generally involves a state of deep relaxation, increased focus and concentration, and a willingness to accept suggestions that may have a positive impact on one's behavior and thoughts.